everyone, and a big hello to summers too. Yes, they are officially here, and despite the sun we do have to take care of our skin, and that is why I have put together my favorite skincare hacks for you. Now I penned down tip number 1 when I continue to use my winter moisturizer in summer. It was sticky and greasy and वो चिपचिपाहट ना बहुत annoy कर रही थी, and that's when I stumbled across the concept of a serum. It was revolutionary because it is so non-sticky, it gets absorbed in my skin literally in seconds, and this particular serum that I've been using has vitamin C in it, so it helps me get rid of my tan. But the major reason why I went for this one was the gold particles in it. Yes, this is a 24 karat gold serum. Now I have been using this ever since my city started getting hot, which is like since a month now, and since then the number of dead skin cells on my skin stay at such a low all the time. Previously when I used to travel a lot by the train, all the pollution would make my skin more and more dull every time I stepped out, but now my skin stays brighter than its usual and it feels so smooth and bouncy. The unique point about this vitamin C product was that they have put aloe vera in it to balance out the vitamin C. Because of that, my skin has been feeling very cool and calm as against when I used to apply lemon directly on my skin. Tip number 2 happened when I wore my full face of makeup outside and it freaking melted. Like ऐसा पूरा ice जैसा melt नहीं हुआ, पर बहुत ही ऐसा निकल गया था. The makeup had moved. The new trick that I've been using for my summer makeup has been to mix my sunscreen with my foundation. अभी tinted sunscreens मिलते तो है, but then there are 2 restrictions with it sometimes. Number 1, price point. मुझे एकदम affordable वाला अभी तक मिला तो नहीं है. And number 2, pigmentation. अगर मुझे थोड़ा कम या थोड़ा ज़्यादा coverage चाहिए तो क्या? इसलिए I thought कि इसको DIY ही कर लेता है. This way I don't feel lazy to put on sunscreen अलग से, and there are not too many layers, तो मुझे उतनी गर्मी भी नहीं लगती. Now tip number 3 is related to the lips. Do not forget them, especially because अपने lips की skin ना normal skin से ज़्यादा पतली और ज़्यादा sensitive होती है. I have this one particular SPF वाला lip balm, तो summers में what I like to do is put on a heavy healthy layer of this lip balm, and then I take out my current favorite lipstick, उसको उंगली पे थोड़ा सा डैप करती हूँ and बस उसको lips पे डैप करती हूँ. ये टिप ना मैंने जानवी कपूर के नायका वाले वीडियो से सीखी थी, and I can make as many tinted lip balms as I want with this घरेलू टिप. The tip number 4 is to make us अंदर से beautiful. अभी इतनी गर्मियों में we are bound to drink some or the other of our favorite drink, and I really like preferring those teas क्योंकि उसमें additional sugar नहीं होता. पर लेकिन फिर हम इस ग्रीन टी बैग का क्या करते हैं, फेंक देते हैं. बट नहीं, इस बार हमें इसको रेफ्रिजरेट करना है. बस 5-10 मिनट भी काफी होगा. एंड देन इस ठंडी ठंडी टी बैग को अपने आईज एंड अराउंड दी आई स्किन एरिया पे लगाना है. इससे डार्क सर्कल्स तो कम होंगे ही, बट आंखों में जितनी भी गर्मी थी ना, वो सब भी एब्जॉर्ब हो जाएगी ये टी बैग में. तो अगर रोज एक टी पीते हैं और रोज ये एक बार किया ना, तो नॉट ओनली बाहर से बट अंदर से भी you're cleansing your body. And my last tip is for all us lazy girls out there. If you're just like me and you don't like doing your skincare in the morning because of sun, then don't worry, you can shift your skincare routine to the night. And इसलिए I went for the serum क्योंकि not only in the day but it also benefits me in the night. It helps in exfoliating. Hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, vitamin E, collagen, all these amazing goodness has been reducing the effect of the sun, and it helps me repair the skin in the night. Now the serum also has a lot of anti-aging properties, and I think that that's very helpful because I've been developing laughing smile lines and wrinkles on my forehead. So getting rid of those along with taking care of my skin is a big plus point. So if you're also looking for baby soft skin or also tightening your skin along with moisturizing, brightening and healthy skin in general, then you can definitely try this serum. And right now they have a lightning offer going on. जो मैंने लिया था 20% off था, but अभी 30% off है. You can use the coupon code डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में भी है. Also मुझे देख के my sister also ordered it recently, and I had to mention that the new formula has more gold particles in it. So I think I might just be finishing this one soon enough to order myself a new one. So these are my current favorite summer hacks for you. If you enjoyed watching this video, then that makes me very happy, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, goodbye.